Pardon, Nem. I cannot sell any chariots today. My Serapis, I cannot believe my eyes. That looks like a Magi badge. Please forgive me. For a moment, I thought you were the sign of the Magi, the lost protectors.
I do. I am. What pains you, Nebbet?
My heart is broken. My truest friend, my husband, Erix, has been murdered.
Tell me what happened.
He was renowned for his work. A soldier ordered him to build war chariots for the pharaoh. He was happy to do so. But when the soldier returned to collect, he only offered to pay half the agreed price. Erix refused, and the soldier cut him down and stole the chariot. If you are truly a Magi, will you help me get justice? Find the soldier and destroy the war chariot so he may not insult my husband's memory.
I can do that for you. I should be cautious around here. Done. Sacrifice made to honor the builder who was cut down.
Honorable Magi, what news do you bring?
I have destroyed the war chariot that Erix made, and was stolen by the vile captain of Antilla. Your husband's memory is restored.